Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2011 Ford Ranger. This one is a little bit of a blast from the past. It shows what pickup trucks used to be about. Utility, fun to drive. I'm not saying the new ones aren't fun to drive, but this is really kind of cool. 2.3 liter inline 4-cylinder, just under 50,000 miles, and it is in impeccable condition. As you can see, it is the manual. It's another reason why I wanted to spotlight this, because you cannot get a manual pickup anymore. All right. Have all your manuals and stuff like that. Can have a third seat right here. Let's go ahead. Take it for a drive. 5-speed manual. Reverse is down to the right. Let's go for a drive. It's crazy to think about. You know, just under 10 years ago, trucks were like this. You know, you could get a base model Ranger with leather seats, a manual, and be a very Spartan interior and just what you need. You know, it's like if you sit here and think about it, you don't need much more than this. You know, this is great if you just need a truck, you know, to haul some lumber, stuff like that. If you're starting a business, this is excellent for it. And you don't need a massive truck that tows 46,000 pounds. You know, if you want a truck, you have a manual transmission, this is about as rugged and simple as you can get. Clutch is really easy to use. This one does have power locks, so that is a great feature to have. Overall, it's super comfortable to drive. I love this thing. Visibility's great. Don't even need a backup camera because you just look out the back. Oh, there it is. So crazy to think I was 10 or 11 years old when this truck came out. That is crazy. Now, I remember when the Ranger came out, I always had a soft spot for him because I love the fact that you can get a small pickup truck just the way you want it. You know, entry level, want a manual with wind-up windows and power locks, you can get it. This is really, really nice. Brake pedal feels good. You know what's kind of crazy is the pedals are set up really well for heel and toe. Alright, let's see how it does in terms of handling. Bit of wet conditions today. Actually really, really fun. Suspension feels great. This is not bad at all. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.